Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking all about YouTube Shorts. So normally my channel is all about fitness, healthy lifestyle, and activewear, but I had the opportunity to attend a training on YouTube Shorts beta yesterday, and I know there's a lot of confusion out there. People don't know what it is even, like what is YouTube Shorts? So I just wanted to come to you with the information that I got from this training. There was an awesome Q&A and I just got so much out of it and I really wanted to share. So I really hope you enjoy. Definitely give it a thumbs up. If this adds value, please let me know because I really want to bring you things that just help you live a better life. And so without further ado, YouTube Shorts. So this training was led by Todd Sherman of YouTube and Kyle. Now, funny thing is they actually didn't identify who they are, but it seems like they are both involved with YouTube, and Todd Sherman must be very intimately involved with YouTube Shorts because he ran all the Q&A and explained a lot of different things about the platform. So basically, YouTube Shorts is right now in beta, but they are short form videos. So right now, anyone in the world can upload videos under 60 seconds and they can be included on this platform of shorts. And there's like a shelf in YouTube, you've probably seen it, where these videos live. But the official shorts, they really want to reiterate that the official shorts are going to be 15 seconds or less. And one of the questions was, why so short? So it was actually kind of a twofold answer. So the first answer he gave was the example that the very first YouTube video was actually 18 seconds long, the first YouTube video uploaded. But the main reason is because they want to make YouTube accessible to way more creators. So a lot of people are intimidated by the fact that they don't have a nice camera, they may not have an awesome computer to edit on, but creating these shorts makes it so much more accessible to more people out there. And they really want YouTube to be a place where everyone has a voice. So how do you create a short? Well, like we said, it has to be less than 60 seconds, but ideally that 15 seconds is really what you want to go for. It has to be shot in vertical and it has to adhere to the normal community terms of service. Another thing you really want to consider is hashtagging shorts, and that way your video might get featured on the shelf. So if shorts is in beta, should you try them out now or should you wait till it's officially launched? They really want to encourage you to try them out now. So currently shorts are happening in India, they're trying it out there, and they really want this whole process to have the creators involved. They want to get feedback and try things out and make it as awesome as it possibly could be. So right now they're trying it out in India, and then hopefully the better it gets, they're going to be ready to launch worldwide and in the USA. You're probably wondering, are shorts monetized? Well, the answer right now is no, but Todd did say they are excited for the opportunity and they are looking into it. Another question you might have, do the shorts watch hours count? So this is a yes and a no. So they are not currently monetized, so it would not count if you are applying to the YouTube Partner Program. They also mentioned that success with shorts is not necessarily indicative of success in the long form video, and they really don't want to combine those two together. However, they will be tracking, there will be analytics that are associated with shorts, so they will still count, they just won't be counted with your long form videos, if that makes sense. Another question that came up is, will these videos exist on your current channel? And the answer is yes. So one question along with that was, should you create a separate channel just for shorts? And Todd really didn't want to answer this directly. His advice was that you know your audience best. If you think your audience will enjoy shorts, then just go ahead, put them on your channel. If you don't think they're gonna like it, then maybe start a new channel. So he really wants to empower creators to see how shorts fit best into their creative style, and he doesn't want to tell you basically what to do with your channel. Another point that is super important is that shorts are not meant to be a promotion for your regular YouTube channel. Shorts are supposed to be a creative form in and of itself. So you're not just boiling down your YouTube long form video into a 15-second short. You actually are creating an experience for the viewer in that 15 seconds. So when is Shorts coming to the rest of the world? Basically when it's ready. But he really wants to encourage everybody to start putting out those shorts, start hashtagging shorts, start getting creative, and that way when it does launch, it's gonna be a huge success. You will already have that audience ready, you will already have those skills, and basically you'll just be ahead of the game. So I hope that this answered some questions you might have about shorts on YouTube. If you have more questions, I'm not from YouTube, so I don't know the answers, but I would love for us to chat down below what we think about YouTube Shorts, where we hope for it to go, and maybe just have a conversation. So I really hope this was helpful. I hope that maybe this will inspire you to try a YouTube Short. I definitely want to try one now after this. And I really hope you have an awesome day. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.